In this video, we are going to see about biologically inspired robot. What is meant by biologically inspired robot? We can see in detail. Introduction. Biologically inspired robots or machine designs to replicate the behavior of living organisms. From insects to mammals, engineers have been inspired by natural systems to design robots that can perform tasks that are difficult or impossible for humans to do. Okay, biologically inspired robots or machine designs to replicate the behavior of living organisms. Okay, from insects to mammals, engineers have been inspired by natural systems to design robots that can perform tasks that are difficult or impossible for humans to do. This presentation will trace the evaluation of biologically inspired robots and predict their future impact on society. Early biologically inspired robots. The first biologically inspired robot was developed in the 1950s and 1960s. Okay, 1950s and 1960s. These robots are simple machines that imitate the behavior of animals. Okay, for example, the shaky robot was designed to navigate through a room using a map and sensors. Okay, the standard cart used cameras to navigate and avoid obstacles. The Stanford cart is used avoid to avoid obstacles and for the navigation process. These early robots set the foundation for future biologically inspired robots. Okay, early it was developed in 1950s and 1960s, and first these robots were designed on the behaviors of animals, and it is used for navigating and to avoid obstacles in the way they go. Okay, next, biological inspiration. The design of biologically inspired robots is based on the study of biology. Okay, this biologically inspired robots is based on the study of biology. Engineers look at the behavior, morphology, and psychology of animals to create robots that can perform similar tasks. Okay, wow. The design of biologically inspired robots is based on the study of biology, which is based on study of biology. Engineers look at the behavior, morphology, and the psychology of animals to create robots that can perform similar tasks. For example, the robot, the Velcoroach robot was inspired by the movement of cockroaches. Okay, it is named as Velcoroach, which is inspired by the movement of cockroaches. The robot uses its legs to climb over the obstacles and move quickly. Next, applications of biologically inspired robots. Biologically inspired robots have many applications in society. They can be used in search and rescue missions. They can be used in research and rescue missions, agriculture, and even space explorations. Biologically inspired robots have many applications in societies. They can be used used in research and rescue missions, agriculture, and even space explorations. The row bees, inspired by the behavior of bees. Okay, can be used for pollination and surveillances. The snake robot, inspired by the movement of snakes, can be used for inception so in hard to reach areas. Robot snakes, which is inspired by movement of snakes, which is used for inspections in hard to reach areas. Challenges in biologically inspired robots. One of the challenges in biologically inspired robot is replicating the complex behavior of animals. Okay, which is very difficult to make. The replication of animal behavior is very complex, so this is a very challenging task. Animals have millions of years to evaluate to perfect their behavior. Evaluation to perfect their behaviors, while robots have only a few decades of research. Animals are having a very decade to perform their behaviors, while the robots have few decades for research. Very few for research. Another challenge is in creating robots that can adapt to their environment like animals. Robots need to have sensors and algorithms that also learn them and that allow them to learn and change their behaviors. These are the very big tasks for biologically inspired robots. Thank you.